उत्तर प्रदेश के वित्त मंत्री सुरेश खन्ना विधानसभा में वित्त वर्ष 2021 से 22 के लिए बजट पेश किया है। आइए इसके कुछ हाइलाइटेड पॉइंट्स पे हम फोकस करते हैं। So the finance minister presents rupees 5,50,270 crore budget for 21 to 22. So the sum amount is the total budget for this year. Let's see where this amount will be distributed. Rupees 50 crore is allotted for COVID vaccination. Rupees 100 crore for Atmanirbhar Krishik Samanvit Vikas Yojana. Rupees 600 crore for Krishi Durgatna Yojana. Rupees 700 crore are allotted for irrigations. Rupees 4,000 crore for loans to farmers on subsidized rate. Rupees 750 crore for Gorakhpur Expressway. Rupees 1,107 crore for Purvanchal Expressway. Rupees 1,492 crore for Bundelkhand Expressway. Under Mukhyamantri Kanya Sumangal Yojana, the government allots rupees 1,200 crore to give tablets to girl students. Rupees 101 crore for airport in Ayodhya. Rupees 2,000 crore for airport Jawar, Chitrakoot and Sonbhadra. Rupees 140 crore for overall development of Ayodhya. Rupees 50 crore for Rashtriya Prerna Sthal in Lucknow. Rupees 100 crore for metro rail projects in Varanasi and Gorakhpur. Education and university in every division. Rupees 200 crore for model colleges in 26 districts. Folk artists facing financial crisis will get a monthly assistance of rupees 2,000. Rupees 3,100 crore for farmers' pensions. Rupees 10,029 crore for housing. Rupees 2,200 crore for Amrit Yojana. Rupees 2,000 crore for Smart City Project. Rupees 1,000 crore for Mukhyamantri Samagra Sampada Vikas Yojana. Rupees 7,000 crore for PM Awas Gramin. Rupees 5,000 crore for PM Sadak Yojana. So don't forget that this year the budget was paperless budget, and I hope that this video will be very helpful to you all. Bye bye. See you in the next video.